Canva. It's a very simple process. It's ideal for creating presentations, videos. You can also add notes to your presentation so that you can present it to people. This is not a premium feature. It's a feature that anyone can use. You need to follow all the steps of the process. If you don't, it won't work. So if you go up the top to share, you've got three little dots. Tap on the three little dots, then go to present and record. Leave it for a few minutes to render, and go to record. Wait for it to do its thing whilst it sets up the camera and microphone. You can select external cameras. You can select external microphones. Then if you tap on record, at this point, tap pause, go down to the bottom right hand corner, tap on the little little notepad and pen, and then you can start typing in your notes for the presentation. When you're happy with what you've done, tap on resume. Say whatever you've got to say in your video, your presentation, then tap on done. Leave it to render. You can download or you can present a hyperlink to your team. So if I download, that will save it to my hard drive, the chosen place where I want. I can delete the recording, or there's a hyperlink that says here in the blue box. If I tap on that, it's created, if I try again, it's created a hyperlink to the Canva website. You can see a URL there. So I can tap on copy, pass it on to somebody to proofread it, or to a member of my team to present the video to a wider audience or smaller audience. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.